You see here, right? This is the problem that I want to show you how to fix. Wow, so nice. Has been fixed. The problem has been fixed. Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how to fix the PayPal account that have been created. Yes, I would like to fix the PayPal account by using browser Chrome. Yeah. Right now let's go to browser Chrome together that I have been installed in my iPhone. Yeah. And then you need to go to the option search or type URL. You can type like this, your paypal.com, and you can choose this one, your paypal.com. After that, you see here, right, www.paypal.com. Click this. If you see like this, you need to click this option, cross out. Also this one, it has been recommended you to open the PayPal app, but I don't. I need to close out. Yep. After that, let's go to the option login. After getting here, there are two boxes. Yeah, the first box, you need to enter your email address that you used to create your PayPal account, or that you have been using creating your PayPal account. And the last box, or the second box, it is about your PayPal account password that you have been created. But I don't show you about the PayPal account information. Yeah, after I enter my PayPal login information, get here, you scroll up a little bit, you see here, right? I would like to choose the option, not now. Yeah. You see here, right? This is the problem that I want to show you how to fix. It is about submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info we have requested. This is the PayPal account that I have been created for my customer. Yep. And then it needs some information. Yeah. Right now, let's go to fix together. Click this option or the tab. Yeah. The red tab. After that, you will see like this. We need some information from you. What is the information that the PayPal account requests us to complete or to fix, or to submit? What is it? Scroll up a little bit. Yeah, this is the information that PayPal has been requested. Yeah. Let's go to the option resolve. But before going to this option, you need to prepare your ID. If your PayPal account has been created with your own national ID, so that you need to use your own national ID by taking a photo, a clear photo, yes, of the back side and front of your ID. If you created your PayPal account, or if you have been created your PayPal account with your own passport, yes, so that you need to take a photo of your own passport fully and clearly, to upload or to resolve your problem or your PayPal account problem. If you have been created your PayPal account with your driver license, so that you need to use your own driver license by taking a photo of the in front and back side of your driver license clearly to fix this problem. Right now, I would like to click the option resolve. After clearing the option resolve, you see here, right, upload a photo ID. Go to document type here, right? There are three document types. Yeah, the first one, it is about passport. If you have been created your PayPal account with passport, so that you need to choose the passport option. If you have been created your own PayPal account with your own driver license, so that you need to choose the option driver license. And if you have been created your PayPal account with your own national identity card, so that you need to choose the option national identity card. But the PayPal account that I have been facing here, yeah, I have been created with the national identity card. Yeah, so that I need to choose the option. After choosing a document type, let's go to the option add a file. Yeah, you see here, right, the file that you can use, and the size of your file around 5 MB. Let's go to add a file together. You can choose photo or file from photo library, take photo, choose file, or Google Drive. But I have a file in my photo library, so that I choose this option. Yes, these are the files that I have been added. Right now, scroll up. After scrolling up, let's go to the option submit. You see here, right? Your information has been submitted. I upload the ID already. Let's go to the option, go to account limitations. Yeah, you cannot see anything problem. No problem. The problem has been fixed. Yeah, has been fixed. Wow, so nice. Has been fixed. The problem has been fixed. Thank you for watching. See you next video.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.